How to calm your mind when you frequently feel restless and agitated in life. The answer lies in the Zen meditation technique called 止观法 and 佛法法 from Shaolin Temple. According to the essentials of meditation and mindfulness practice, also known as the fundamentals of concentration and insight, to calm the restless mind, one needs to have 5 external factors: moral discipline, contentment, seclusion, diligent effort, and association with good-hearted people. On this foundation, the stopping method can be used to tame the mind by adjusting the body, breath, and mind to subdue mental distractions and agitation. If stopping doesn't work, you can try the observing method, which includes 3 techniques: observing emptiness, observing illusion, and observing middle way. Both methods can be applied interchangeably, complementing each other to achieve inner peace. Although it is not easy to calm the mind, with consistent practice, one can actively aesthetic inner calm and tranquility. The path to enlightenment may be long, but the journey to calm mind begins here.